What's going on, guys? Welcome to Rob's house. We're actually at Aaron's house today. You're on the Rob's House YouTube channel, but we're not at my house. We're at Aaron's house.
What's up, guys?
We've met Aaron before. You guys know Aaron. He's been in a lot of videos, Cars and Coffee videos. He's in our car club, good friend of mine, and we're here in his garage. Actually, the car that we're gonna drive is outside, but I still wanted to show you guys. This is like one of the most badass man caves I think I've ever seen. You got the lounge area, watch some sports TV, whatever, toolbox, and then exotic cars. I mean, you know, what more do you want? I love the laser cut emblems, although you don't have an Audi anymore in here. Yeah, oh yeah. So Aaron used to have this. You've got, if you're an OG on the channel, you remember that car. It was Nardo gray, and then it was wrapped OD green, and then it was Nardo gray again. Yeah. So that was, when I met Aaron, that was the car that he had. And he now has this incredible Technica. We were just talking about how cool the bumper exit exhausts are on those. And this Turbo S. And outside we have the twin turbo Monster that we're gonna take for a drive today. You know, it's kind of a, you know, it's a little bit of a flex when you have two Lambos. Let's be real here, you know? Just Volkswagens, that's true. They are expensive Volkswagens. And today we're gonna take this thing for a rip, and I'm taking you guys along for the ride. Let's go. All right, guys, we're getting these tires a little warm and getting some heat in this motor before we get to have any fun, but you know, that's how it goes. It's cold out. It's been really cold.
It's been really cold.
It's been really cold.
We don't really want to mess with 1,000 horsepower.
No, we don't want to mess with 1,000 horsepower if we're cold. Scary. Definitely scary. This should be a lot different than Jamie's car. That's the only other Lambo. Well, actually, I rode in Bivens, the black one, for very briefly, but those are the only Lambos I've ever been in.
Did you get under like 7,000 RPMs when you were with Bivens?
Bivens, no. Under 7,000? Yeah, because we were by that place downtown that we would have that brew pub.
Oh, I got you.
So we couldn't do anything crazy. Yeah. I just had never even sat in one, so I was just curious, you know. This is a long time coming. Me and Aaron have been meaning to hang out and take this thing out for a while.
You've been, if it's like outside of 3 miles from my house, it usually takes me some time. So.
It's reasonable, man. We're all busy. I know how it is. Ooh, the turbo noise. Dude. That's like nothing, too. It sounds crazy. Oh, man. Pop, pop, pop. This guy is like not paying attention in front of us. Drove off the road like twice. What is it? Dude, what are they doing?
I'm staying back here.
Yeah, what is going on? Like they're all over the road. Hit like 2 mailboxes already. Are they just like texting? Like what?
This is where I would hit it normally. But
Yeah. Okay.
We start breaking all 4 loose in second and a half. Oh man.
Okay. I have never felt anything like that before, that's for sure.
It's so smooth, man.
Dude, it's so smooth. The thing is, like, for everyone watching on video, I've been in some fast cars. That was really fast. That was really fast. Dude, what is this?
That's not a cop.
Hope not. Oh man. Dude, see, I knew this was gonna be crazy. This is like really crazy.
Shoot, my damn eyes are watering out.
Dude, same. So much wind. Dude, this thing is crazy. I don't know if this is coming through on camera at all. I'm sure it was kind of shaky because we were going, dude, when those turbos spool, holy shit. This is like, I mean, Jamie's is fast, but this is like another level of fast. Oh my God. Oh my God, dude. I swear I'm not playing this up for the camera. Like, I don't do that. This is that crazy. And I'm not even looking at the camera. I'm looking at the, like, oh my God,
I can't
dude.
look over there when I'm in it.
No way.
Oh.
Yeah, no way. You gotta pay attention. So is this pump gas or E?
This is pump gas.
This is pump gas?
Yeah, so the gain's 200. It goes to 1200 on P85, but it's very rare that I run it.
Yeah, it's a pain in the butt.
I don't really need it.
No, it's
I mean,
pointless.
For what I use the car for.
So, new question, is it flex fuel or do you have to run it dry and switch a map?
No, it's got a sensor.
Oh, so you could just put, you can blend it,
Yeah, you can blend it.
Okay, yeah. That's like my Corvette.
Yeah.
That makes it easy.
It's super easy.
So there's only one map then?
That's correct.
Okay.
This is stock ECU with the TS1.
Gotcha.
So if you need to do any tuning, just get the laptop out, hook it up, and he can do everything remotely.
Oh, cool. Oh, so the DS, is it like a piggyback box or something
Correct.
that they plug? Oh, cool.
Yeah,
okay.
It's in there already. Kind of like a fourth gear, like.
That's fourth? That was fourth? Oh my God, dude. Bro, how are you not in jail? Dude, this is crazy.
Second gear, you have to be pretty careful.
Yeah.
First
I
gear, I
would
don't
imagine.
fool with. Second gear, you have to watch.
No, so yeah, first no. I mean, first in my Corvette is useless, and that has half the power that this thing has. Or not half, I guess 3/4, but still. And it's 1,000 wheel, correct?
Correct.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's fast. This is a beast, dude.
It's fun, man. But like you said, if you don't get into boost and you just drive the car, it's just like driving.
Yeah. Feels like every other Huracan when you're not in boost.
If you're outside the car and somebody, you roll by normal throttle, you can hear the turbos a little bit.
Yeah.
But
I think I've got shots in some of my videos of you just rolling by, you know. Oh my God, dude. That was. This is definitely the craziest car I've ever been in. That's for sure. Well, I mean, besides like any kind of like dedicated race car, you know what I mean. But the craziest street car for sure, no doubt.
But
wow.
I mean, it doesn't feel like you're like, obviously you're going fast, but it doesn't feel like you're in danger. I mean, it's pretty smooth for the most part.
Yeah, it really sucks you into that seat though. Like, wow.
I would be much more nervous doing that in my Technica or Porsche than I would be this, because you get up and back down so much quicker.
Yeah. Well, and this is all-wheel drive.
It is all-wheel drive.
Is the Porsche's rear, right?
Turbo S is all-wheel drive.
Oh, it is. Okay.
Technica is not.
Gotcha. Ooh, you can see the titanium. Oh yes. Blow-off valves. You guys have seen this car before in my videos, but you never got up close and personal or got a ride in it. Great stance on the wheels too, as all of Aaron's cars are. Oh yes. All right, time to lose our hearing. Oh my God. Woo! This thing is psychotic, dude.
That's pretty wild.
In the best way. I mean that in a complimentary way, of course. But. All right, we're getting a little rip in the Turbo S. We got to hear some turbos. We definitely got to hear some turbos.
It'll, here in a minute, it'll get a lot louder.
I hear them already. Does it tightens the seatbelt for you? That's cool.
Oh, yeah.
I just felt that. That was weird.
It's like a luxury car.
That's so cool. It like snugged the seatbelt on its own. I don't know if you guys saw that on video in the seatbelt move. That wasn't me that did it. Oh, this says pops too. You got the pop tune and all that?
Probably more pops than the Lamborghini, really.
Oh, wow.
Once it gets hot.
I've seen you driving this thing a lot.
Yeah, quite a bit.
I was showing Blake that reel you posted of you like coming up to the camera at a stoplight and then you like turn off.
Yeah.
And you could just hear the
It's loud, man.
Yeah, there's a lot of turbo noise on the outside of this thing.
You know, the Lamborghini, you have to be in the throttle to hear the turbos. This is loud from like
all the time. Yeah. Yeah, you could kind of hear it in the Lambo at low RPMs, but you're right, it's not like this. Pop, pop, pop.
Oh man. They make a blow-off valve now to where it all comes out at once, but I'm like,
yeah.
I'd rather hear this, I think.
Yeah, it sounds nice. It sounds like a jet, dude.
That's crazy.
That's wild. And what does this make?
That's 750.
750.
I've been kind of going through a couple of tuning things with my guy lately.
Yeah.
The same guy that tunes the Lamborghini does these.
Oh, okay.
And a lot of McLarens.
Steve?
Yeah.
Yeah. It drives well.
It drives way better than the other two.
Yeah.
You can take this on a trip, no problem.
Yeah.
It just doesn't, it's not the same flair, really.
Yeah. There's definitely that luxury component of it.
Oh, yeah.
It does have a lot of pops.
It's quite a bit. High RPMs, like if you turn to Sport Plus,
Yeah.
you're going through the mountains, the car like learns how you're driving, you know?
Yeah.
And it'll hold the RPMs to like 6,500 around corners.
And it's just blasting.
Crazy.
Yeah. That's like my Corvette. I have the insane pops on it. Yeah, it's fast. Yeah. Smooth power band. I'm a little more used to this power level because I have cars that make this, you know, close to this amount of power.
So from a dead stop, this car is bonkers.
Oh, you can launch it.
Oh, the launch controls is crazy.
Oh,
It's crazy.
oh,
If there's no traffic, I'll try it here.
yeah. You know, the C8 has surprisingly good launch control.
I've heard that.
It's pretty good, actually. Yeah. It's a consistent sub 3 seconds 0 to 60 as long as it's like 70 degrees out, you know?
That's pretty stylish.
Yeah, the problem is it falls off on the top end.
Yeah.
It just doesn't have that top end power.
It has rear wheel steering too.
Oh, that's wild.
Yeah, it's pretty
Oh yeah, that's a crazy turning radius. Wow.
shit, I think it's sport.
Okay. Yeah, that's pretty violent. That's pretty violent. And the all-wheel drive, dude, it just hooks.
We spun a little there.
We did, but
It's a little chilly, but
yeah, not a lot though.
and it's dead hooked in the summer.
Yeah. This feels like the C8 launches like this, but this has the top end, so it keeps pulling. You know what I mean? The C8, once you get off the line, and then I can't describe it. It just kind of feels like it falls a little flat. Yeah. It just needs a little more top end power. That's really all.
This car is probably, I don't know, 2.3, 2.4.
Yeah, it's fast. It's very smooth. It's very smooth.
So the GT3 obviously would be more firm.
Yeah.
But it is, this offers a lot more than straight line. GT3 obviously is on rails.
Yep.
But this car, this handles really well too.
This is just a great all-around car. I mean, like, you could do anything with it.
I think it's the best bang for the buck supercar, really.
Yeah.
It's just, again, if you're looking for flair, this is about as much as you're going to get, I think, with wheels and lower and everything. But
Yeah. Yeah, and the Porsches, their styling is there's a lot of similarities between all the models. So
the general public thinks a Porsche is a Porsche.
yeah, they think they're all the same.
A Porsche is a Porsche.
Right, Porsche. That's right. Although to be fair, I'm guilty of that because I can't tell the difference half the time. Like I really can't.
Yeah.
I'm learning, but it's one of those things where like the differences are really subtle in these cars, so it's not as easy to tell. Wow, guys, that was an experience. I forgot to film an outro while I was there. We ended up taking the Porsche out too, and then had to drive about 45 minutes home. But that car is insane. Big shout out to Aaron for taking me out. I had been wanting to get a ride in that car for quite some time now, but our schedules are both just crazy, so it was just hard to work out. But we both happened to be free this weekend, and it was nice enough to take the car out. I'm glad we got to do that. That car feels crazy. That car feels way faster than my Corvette. My Corvette makes over 700 wheel, so I was surprised that the extra, like I know it makes 1,000, right? But the extra 300 horsepower making that big of a difference, it felt way faster than my Corvette, which, yeah, it is another 300 wheel, but it's really difficult to describe. I hope it came through well on camera. I had never been in the car before. That was my genuine reaction. The only Huracan that I had ever been in before where I got to like experience some pulls and stuff like that was Jamie's, which is it's a bolt-on car, but it's basically, there's no forced induction. It's still basically stock. Does have an exhaust, has intake, full exhaust. So it makes a little more power than the stock one, but incremental, not nearly as drastic as what this was. So anyway, like I said, big shout out to Aaron. That was a really fun day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments as usual. Hope this video was entertaining, and I'll see you guys next time.